So this is the shark corded steam mop. Its big claim to fame is that it offers chemical-free sanitization while it mops your floors. And it takes a little time to get that steam going, so you gotta plug it in and wait a few minutes and then start pumping the handle to get it to start actually producing steam. But you can see at the beginning it's just picking up a little bit of dirt. Stay tuned to the end to see how much dirt we collect. It's easier to see the nice job it does on hardwood, I think. This looks like the Zamboni just went over it. The unit is virtually silent, as you can hear here. But that there hissing noise is the sound of the steam starting to come out through the pad. And it is a manual mop, so there's a lot of work involved on the person who's actually doing the mopping, but it produces pretty good results. It doesn't have a true headlamp to light up, so if you're doing under a table, it might be hard to see what you're looking at. Since there is no on or off switch, you're basically going to stand it up, unplug it from the wall, and wait as long as it says in the instruction manual for things to cool down. Alright, so we've unplugged it and we've let it cool down for a bit. Then we're going to take a look underneath here at the pad and see how dirty it got. So that was white when I started, and now it's completely dirty. I don't think I'm going to go another round. I think I'm going to wash this and maybe invest in the spare ones because it only comes with one pad, and then do some more of the house, and we'll get some video after that. You can see the steam coming out now. Hopefully you can see that. Now it's got some moisture on it. There we go. Requires a lot of downward pressure. Maybe more manual labor than I was hoping for. As the steam dispenses, you can see the water tank starting to drain down there. So we can just fill that when we're done. But I think we're just going to give it one run and then let it dry and see where we're at. Fill the tank when the unit is cool. You come up to the front of the tank and sort of put my finger behind it, but pop it out, and then it comes up. That's all there is to it. So we have that. Just screw the cap back on. Get it nice and on there. And we're going to put this back in the unit. See down there, that's where this cap is going to go. So it goes upside down like that, cap first. Get it right in there, snap, and you'll see a couple bubbles come up. And since this has no lift mechanism for debris, you have to go along later and just sort of pick up what it loosened off your floor with a towel. And the unit does have this convenient cord wrapper on the bottom, so you can wrap it up and down there, and that way when you store it, you don't have to worry about the cord. It is surprisingly lightweight. With the water in it, it's a little heavier, but when the water's out, in terms of getting it in and out of the closet, it's surprisingly lightweight. I think I wish it had a little bit more power or automation behind it. There's really no motor in here, it's just a steam and that's it, and you provide all the locomotion. So as compared with some of those other ones, especially the fancier robot ones, you know, they're doing a lot of the work for you. So this one still requires what I consider to be, you know, traditional mopping amount of effort to get your floor clean. The steam is really just the added fact that you are getting it as close to clean as possible without having to use any extra detergent. So it's a lot cheaper to run in that sense because you're not buying detergent. You are using electricity though, so you know, whatever that costs to use the electricity is part of using this device, but I think any electric or automated battery powered mop is going to have that issue. Really, to get it done the cheapest, you probably want the old handheld manual mop bucket with water and soap concentrate that you'd put in there. But yeah, all in all, it's pretty convenient, and storing it is really easy. So I like that the best, and I like that it doesn't use any solvents or soap, so I don't have to worry about stocking it up or having that stuff on the floor.